Go, go, go! Part 4. Four-wheel ride. Woo! Now we got it. Woo! Come on, get on.
Try doing it better or something.
Yeah, well, here. There you go, Jared. It's on your back. Woo! Cornfield.
Why are you holding it on my back? That's worse.
Time to get dirty.
Oh yeah, brother. You see this? Let's do this. Woo! Woo!
That was awesome.
Yeah, I know, right? Hey, we cut through. Dude, go through that one road. Up here, dude, where it turns into
Whatever road.
yeah, the gravel road that goes through that direction. It's a small hill, dude. We run over that big rock. Oh shit! Hey, you should have gunned it through it. I'm the one that's getting most of the mud now. Oh shit! Fuck! No, we about overturned it here.
Rock, remember these ones? These would be with ice.
Yeah, that's raining with our bike.
Right over them. Oh, dude, you gotta get some turkeys on video if you see something.
Yeah, if we can get anything. Oh, right here's that one where no, this ain't the one. This ain't the one that I took. Right here it is. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Right here's one. Right here's one. Yeah, we all stayed off this
No,
one.
this one wasn't. That one we went up. Yeah, that one.
Yeah, but then we dropped down this one and went up this one, and you got it going out, remember?
Go up this one?
No.
Then you get off, bro. You want to? Why not go up there? You going up, Chris?
Yeah.
Down.
No, we're not. No, we're not, dude. He's gonna gun it. We're gonna go flying. And we're going down here on this one. It all went on. It was awesome.
Ready?
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Put her in neutral.
No, I got this.
Woo! Hey, over here is the one that we was gonna find. But this one we put in neutral. Because remember we had trouble? Just rock it, rock it.
No, lean back.
Ready? Look, look, look.